Finally, what we all been waiting for, Galaxy S23 Ultra new camera sensor is out and Samsung is going crazy with the new 200 megapixel camera. There are a lot of new updates that we are about to see in the new 200 megapixel sensor. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Samsung just launched a new 200 megapixel camera that will be used in the S23 Ultra called HP2. Before this, Samsung already have HP1 and HP3, both are budget sensor, but this new sensor is better than these sensors. So let's bring down the details. First, the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera features a DVTG, dual vertical transfer gate, which boosts the pixels to its full capacity by 33%, making the new HP2 sensor brings much better color reproduction and better exposure control. So now bright images will not be overexposed on the S23 Ultra new 200 megapixel camera, and if you ever experience the washout images, then you don't need to worry anymore. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on the new 200 megapixel camera, and are you guys excited about the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra? Not only this, Samsung also going to add new pixel binning technology which they call Tetra 2 Pixel. They can capture 50 megapixel pictures in 1.2 micron pixels, meaning 4 in 1 pixel binning, or if you use 12.5 megapixel, then it will be 2.4 micron pixels, which is 16 in 1 pixel binning. It will depend on the condition. Also, this new 200 megapixel camera can capture 8K video at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps, a big update from the last year's 60 fps on the S22 Ultra. Samsung is also going to offer Super QPT, quad phase detection, that will help S23 Ultra with autofocus. This makes all the 200 million pixels will bring focus from both horizontal and vertical patterns, which brings fast and more accurate autofocus for the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra. S23 Ultra will also able to burst at 15 frames per second, taking 15 shots in a single second, all 200 megapixel resolution. Before this, HP3 was at 7.5 frames per second and HM3 at 10 frames per second, twice as HP3 at 15 frames per second, which is amazing. All in all, this year Samsung is going big with the new 200 megapixel camera on S23 Ultra, a great night photography through pixel binning and a great autofocus. Everything is cutting edge technology as per Samsung's officials, and even the previous leaked samples of Galaxy S23 Ultra makes it even clear how better this new HP2 sensor is going to be on S23 Ultra, combined with the new power of a new overclocked Snapdragon Gen 2. Samsung planned to launch S23 Ultra on 1st of Feb, and they even started reservation for the S23 Ultra. Even they are giving $50 Samsung credit if you reserve your device right now. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.